What's going on YouTube, man? It's Call Me Buzz, man. I'm back with another video, man. Like, you see what we doing, like we trucking, right? So we trucking trailer tires. These motherfucking trailer tires look good. But yeah, y'all see I'm loaded. You know, we got the money in the back of the trailer. And this bound to happen, man. Like, this happens. This happened. I already knew that this side was bald. Like, as you can see, I seen that this morning. Right when I was doing my pre-trip, bro, I seen it. I'm like, damn, it's over. I'm like, it's over. Right? I'm like, damn. Hopefully I can make it, cause I was in Vegas. I was in Vegas coming down the 15. I'm like, man, I hope I make it, right? Sure enough, like an hour and 20 minutes before I get to my drop, man, the fucking trailer tire popped. I'm like, man, it's cool. I'm like, man, like, it's cool, you feel me? So, you know, I call TQO, they gonna help me, you know what I'm saying? So, and bro, I just wanted to jump on here and show y'all what the hell going on with this trucking. But we still trucking, man. We got the money, man. So, you know, power only ain't, load ain't pinch. But we trying to get that, you know what I'm saying? So, we good, man. Hopefully, man, they call us with some good information, man. And I'm finna update y'all. But y'all know what we doing, man. We running. Trying to get to the bag, man. Trying to get to the money to pay all these bills. Because having a truck is nothing but a bill. All right, man. I'll see y'all in a minute. Yes, sir. Got pulled into the truck base with this tire challenge. We get on the road. Already killed the hour and a fucking half. Oh, bro, I feel like my tire low. Hey, can you check all the other like the tire pressure? Yeah. Yeah. What did it cost me?
Probably about $10 for the truck and trailer.
$10?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause this one kind of like, oh no, it's kind of, I don't know, but it's kind of like when I press on it, like it's moving, like it's going flat, huh?
Yeah, it could be low. Yeah, we'll check them all out.
I really don't want to pay that $10. You know, it ain't no money in trucking, man. You know what I'm saying? Really don't want to pay that $10. $10 right now is like 5 gallons of gas, man.
Yeah. I want to know where you're getting down.
For real, man. Shit. Hey, I don't even got nothing here. Yeah, I'm running on faith. You know what I'm saying? But they finna come change the tire. Feel me? So we can get running. A little small talk, no talk. We go check out Mega Millionaire. Feel me? Check him out. They said I was getting a new tire. Yeah, cool. All right. Yeah, I'm hella mad, bro. I'm like an hour and 21 from my drop, bro. And like coming down to Mojave, like it just popped coming down. I'm like, oh, fuck. I was hot. I ain't paying for the tire. I ain't paying for it, so. Yeah, I ain't paying for it. Wear and tear. When you rent a trailer, you make sure they pay for it, not you. I'm calling every time. Like, bro, is y'all gonna pay for this trailer or what? Like, y'all already ain't giving me no rates to even move this trailer to Nevada. So, why am I paying for a tire when I'm not even getting no money to move this trailer? I'm just getting money off the loads. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Which is bad because you need to make money in all aspects. Like, you need to make money, right? But it's like these brokers and shit be so cheap to where they don't want to pay nobody nothing. I'm talking about not even $1. Like, give me $10. Like, you know, give me $5, give me $20 to move this motherfucking trailer to Nevada. But no, but you know, like I appreciate it. I don't complain, but trucking is hard right now. At this time, every dollar counts. Every dollar counts. Lowe's ain't paying shit. Lowe's ain't paying shit. Stack every dollar if you own an operator, whatever. Stack every dollar, man, because you gon' need it. No matter what you do, you gon' need it. You know what I'm saying? Hard ball, hard body. You know what I'm saying? Hard body. I know this one cool. I just got what did I get? I got a patch for this one. For that tire. Man, check your equipment, man. Always check your equipment, man, no matter what, man. Check your shit. Do your pre-trips. Check your shit, man. You know what I'm saying? So, that's just what it is, man. Y'all know we moving. Y'all know we moving. Phone authority all up. Yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm going to get a couple updates when they put the tire on, take the tire off, all that. So, yeah, we on one.
My nigga like some teachers, they'll test you. I was down, no tickets for rescue. Nowadays, I just wanna be successful. In my mind, that time I lost that. Praying for this war, I'm ready for combat. If you looking for more, I'm ready to run it. You just gotta believe me, I just wanna see it.
Fresh out the gate, been down for 10 years strong, nigga called me a case. I ain't never stayed on the nigga I bust with, but he lied and said I did. You confess to the whole shit. What he talking about, these bullets like Pac-Man, we eat his ass alive.
Got that Nuki thing. What's the least expensive tire? Like
Probably a retread right here.
like a retread?
Yeah, these are all retread tires right here.
What those go for?
It's like 300 and that's still kind of expensive.
See, that's what I'm saying. Like, why everything went up with the inflation, right? But like the rates and shit went down with the, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, like you know, like, bro, like the engine costs about $20,000. At least on the low board or something, let us get like at least $45,000 to $5,000 up, like for like with Lowe's and shit. But I don't know, I don't know, man. It's the government, I guess. Hey y'all, trailer tire got fixed, man, and now we on the road, man. Thank y'all for supporting, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good shit. More to come.